Did you know your gut is home to more bacteria than there are stars in the Milky Way? These microscopic residents play a crucial role in your overall health. And do you know what's been a game changer for my gut? This strawberry-kefir smoothie I've been making. It's not only delicious, but also does wonders for digestion. Why strawberries? Because they aren't just a sweet treat. They're loaded with nutrients that your gut loves. They're high in dietary fiber, which helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. Plus, strawberries are rich in polyphenols, natural compounds that act as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A recent study even found that adding strawberries to the diet of healthy older adults increased the diversity of their gut microbiome and boosted beneficial bacteria. What about kefir? Kefir is a fermented milk drink that's teeming with probiotics, the friendly bacteria that help balance your gut flora. Regularly drinking kefir has been linked to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and reduced inflammation. In fact, a 12-week randomized controlled trial published in Nutrients Journal showed that consuming 180 milliliters of kefir daily improved insulin sensitivity, lowered inflammatory markers such as TNF-alpha and IFN-gamma, and had positive effects on blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Here's how to make this delicious strawberry kefir smoothie. Just grab a cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, a cup of plain kefir, and a tablespoon of honey if you like it a bit sweeter. Toss everything into your blender, add a few ice cubes to make it nice and cold, and blend until smooth. Pour it into your favorite glass and enjoy it fresh. This smoothie isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a boon for your belly. By combining strawberries and kefir, you're giving your gut both prebiotics and probiotics, which work together to keep your digestive system happy and healthy. So will you give this strawberry-kefir smoothie a try? Leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I have a great ebook full of delicious smoothie recipes like this one that you can download for free. I'll put the link in the description. Make sure you check it out now.